All right, what's up, guys? Today we got a brand new product. It's a 2021 Diamondkings baseball blaster box. So they have this is Panini, so not Topps. So they don't have a MLB license, but they I guess they have MLB PA license. I'm not sure how that works, but they don't show the team logos and stuff like that. But I saw it at the Target, and I saw it was like pretty cool looking. Might as well just give it a shot. This is what the stuff that you can get. But yeah, there's no team logos, there's no team names. There's player names. So it's like Babe Ruth is in New York, no Yankees or anything like that. But yeah, pretty cool. You have plastic exclusive blue frame parallel. All right, let's get started. I think, from what I understand, people like the downtown stuff the most out of these packs. So hopefully we found one of those. It's the first Panini baseball product that I've opened, so hopefully it's good to me. All right, let's get started. 35 cards. Unwrap 3 retail exclusive artist proof blue parallels. Okay. And then this is this stuff. Where's the downtown? Downtown. Right here. Recollection collection buybacks. Number to 25. Is there other downtown stuff? These so many things here. It's kind of hard to see. Okay. Well, hopefully we find something. Let's take a look. Babe Ruth on the cover. Diamondkings baseball. All right, let's go. Oh, the cards feel like not glossy. It's got a different texture to it. It's kind of cardboardy, but it's like a more premium cardboard. If you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, Giolito, Tony Gwynn, Hall of Famer. Juan Soto, nice. Aficionado, Dijon Mayhew, and Walter Alston. Oh, so there's a lot of old school guys. There's an insert, I'll put it over here. These packs are hard to open. There we go. Okay, got a rookie, Edward Olivares. There's the blue parallel, looks like, back there. Brian Hayes, debut Diamondkings. Okay. Ooh. I guess this is one of the blue parallels, or what? Yeah, it must be. The blue border stuff. Okay, pretty cool. Let's leave it up to Brian Hayes. He was really good last year. And I hope he's been injured this year. Hopefully he comes back and plays well. All right, pretty cool. First hit. What's this? Gallery of Stars, Lindor. All right. Hasn't been playing well for the Mets at all, but he can be better. I'll keep this around. Pretty cool looking. But like you see, it doesn't say Mets. It just says New York. And then Christian Javier, debut Diamondkings. Okay. Jorge Mateo, Joe Jackson, Pete Rose, artist proof. Okay, so I guess that's what's it called, a short print. What's this one? Joey Bart, that's a pretty good one. I wonder if this one's numbered. No, it's not, but it's an artist proof Pete Rose, so I'll sleeve him up. Okay, artist palette, Joey Bart, and Brady Singer. Brady Singer's been a pretty good rookie. I like the design of these. I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's just like art. It's basically art on a card. And then not just like pictures. Casey Mize. Ha-Sung Kim. Medina. Got a lot of rookies. Nolan Ryan, the club. Okay. That's pretty cool. It's got kind of like a gold thing to it. And then Nick Madrigal. Pretty cool. That's a cool insert. I'll sleeve that up. There's only one exclusive blue frame parallel, huh? Okay. Sorry, we already found that one. Darvish. Vlad Sr. Bo Bichette, Elegance. Okay. And rookie Dean Kramer. 2 packs left. Yeah, it's kind of weird without the logos. Definitely, I think Topps looks a bit cooler. Pete Alonso, all right, cool. Just because it has the, logos and all that. Artist proof, Luis Garcia. Okay, pretty cool. Ozzie Smith, and a purple one, Nick Madrigal. All right, cool. Got 2 artist proof cards. Definitely have to look at the back to understand like the odds for these. I wish they would tell you. That's pretty cool. Last pack. Eddie Stanky. Brian Hayes. All right. Another artist proof. So I guess maybe these are not that rare after all. Shane McClanahan, who's looked really good in 2 starts. Aficionado, Bregman, and George Brett. Okay, pretty cool. Let's leave these 2 up. I really do like the looks of these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Pretty cool. All right, let's do a quick recap. These are all the vets and old school players. That's just, I think, base cards, I believe. These are all the inserts. Let's quickly go through them. Ozzie Smith, Nick Madrigal, Javier, Bo Bichette, Nick Madrigal, Medina, Ha-Sung Kim, Casey Mize, Joey Bart, Brady Singer, Jorge Mateo, Lindor, Christian Javier, Olivares, Vega LeMahieu. And I think the hits, but I guess Nolan Ryan's could not be considered a hit, I suppose. But, Brian Hayes. Artist proof, Shane McClanahan. Artist proof, Luis Garcia. Nolan Ryan, the club. I think this card just looks cool. I like this card. Artist proof, P. Rose. And this is the hit right here. The Brian Hayes blue parallel. Blue frame, I should say. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of these cards. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.